Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore SEO with EAT. Start by understanding the concept of the EAT, which stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Recognize why these signals are essential for SEO, as they help Google evaluate the quality and reliability of content. Open Grammarly, an excellent tool for improving your writing and ensuring clarity. Begin by setting up your Grammarly account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, create a new document for your content. Paste your existing text into the document provided by Grammarly. Review the suggestions Grammarly offers for enhancing clarity and readability. Pay close attention to the tone and voice recommendations. Use Grammarly's readability score to ensure your content is easily understandable. Make necessary adjustments to improve the flow and engagement of the text. Next, focus on highlighting your personal experience on the topic. Add anecdotes or case studies to demonstrate your expertise. Incorporate statistics or data when possible to establish authority. Ensure that your claims are backed by reliable sources to build trustworthiness. Go through Grammarly's plagiarism checker to ensure your content is original. When drafting headings and subheadings, use keywords relevant to your audience. Make every effort to provide comprehensive and well-researched information. Once satisfied with the content, finalize your edits based on Grammarly's feedback. Consider adding a call to action that encourages further discussion or exploration of the topic. Review everything one last time to confirm clarity and adherence to EAT principles. When you're ready, export your final draft for publication. Implement these strategies consistently to maintain EAT signals in your content moving forward. Regularly revisit and update your work to ensure it remains relevant and authoritative. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.